Hi, I'm Ellen from Hackers Code Academy. In cybersecurity, privacy is everything. Professionals rely on open source TTS tools to anonymize messages while keeping communication secure. In this video, I'll show you the exact setup, step by step. First, we will go to GitHub to access the voice repository. Next, we will visit githascm.com to download the desktop version of Git. Then, we will proceed to download Python 3.1011. After that, we will install the CUDA Toolkit 13.0. Note, my system is Windows 11, and we will be downloading everything on the local server, not the cloud server. The CUDA download is approximately 2.3 GBs, so you will need to wait for it to complete. After successfully installing NVIDIA, let's move on to the next step. First, open your command prompt, but make sure you run it as administrator. Now I'll give you the GitHub link for your VIBE voice project. Once you've cloned it, type this command to create a virtual environment. Your environment is now active, and you're ready to run your scripts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow along for the next steps.